The advisor to the Education Department of the Meghalaya Government, Hima M Shangpliang, had offered his views on the implementation of the National Education Policy 2020 in the state and its impact on the students. Speaking to reporters today, Hima Shangpliang informed that 95% of the colleges in Meghalaya are in agreement to the implementation of the NEP 2020. He added that the same will be a blessing to the students of the state as they would be able to join the postgraduate classes after completion of the fourth year of graduation.
He kumu advisor jong education department ngilai sedang berterikam syait mentar ladon kumba lai benai ladon nang ni kumu advisor te ngila sutu syai ki jing jong kino hikai kan kajam kemun ka nungkong mengilale yang ta kino hikai khantam ki SSC kalomba menda kino hikai SSC kinumdu tulop syo nirang sudan gawe gajialang ka ba kilale buroming naka liang ka SSC association but kiro kila sokumen baka sarkar ka simkhia ki kamjungki ya ki area ki basakut baro sikata ngila sedang bensiu ka area ka badang de bangin siu shwa Christmas ngila dep siu menta empat jujia meno hakiwe ki sarkar ki bamenswa de kata ka de ki assistant teachers menta ya ki post ki balalai daki si hajar aspa kali ki post ki light ya ki kam jo ki LP school teacher ya katur ngi la dep sim ya karai pat menta ngin tap no ya kini ki no hikai ki ba pass ka MTET written exam but ki kin sayo kam no kirang don bun ki we ki kam ki le education department ndre ka challenge ka badon ahmad jungi ka dei bangin wanra ya ka pule puthi ka ba biang bat ka ba rengkat kerdan bat ka pule puthi jong ka libro ko ka uban ka badon ka sarkar ya ka ruling telese kan khamsuk khamha shu manda ba ngan ra iki issue jong pai ba ahmad un chief minister ban ya utau nomi khmat nakaliang persya tengang sutu bala da ka ba ya train ka sarkar dese kajing mentoy kan long yu pai ba kajing mentoy kan long yu pai ba namar bale ni don kam bangin ra iki isu jong pai ba akhmat ka sarkar